said Muhammad. Hi, I'm so glad to see you. So, let's open the USDRRS. That's looking so pretty cool. Let's get open by the USDRRS right now. We're just going to have a look how it's going to be actually working together. So, and after that, who have been just already joined to me, please write, just change this time frame for 5 minutes in the time of the expiry the same one. If you can, no problem. That is not. No, we just can't actually provide the recover over the. Don't be so. Um, don't think about this. It's gonna be actually working normal. So, guys, says the time of the expire. So you have just needed to get open this valid pair together with me and began to get open. Oh my gosh.